This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood safety latch, then raise the hood upwards. Loosen the cable bolt from the negative battery terminal, then disconnect the negative battery cable. Position the cable aside to prevent accidental reconnection. Chock the rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Then raise the front of the car and support it on jack stands. For the replacement of the appropriate oxygen sensor, locate the oxygen sensor on the exhaust pipe. Trace the wiring from the sensor to the electrical connector. Release the safety tab, disconnect the oxygen sensor electrical connector, then free the wiring harness from any retaining clips. Using an oxygen sensor socket, unscrew and remove the oxygen sensor. If you're going to install the old sensor, apply anti-seize compound to the threads of the sensor to facilitate future removal. If installing a new sensor, it's not necessary to apply anti-seize compound because it should already have anti-seize pre-applied. Install the oxygen sensor. Tighten the sensor securely. Connect the oxygen sensor electrical connector and be sure to secure the wiring harness into the retaining clip. Slide the connector safety tab into place once connected. Lower the car to the ground. Unblock the wheels. Connect the negative battery cable to the battery terminal and tighten the cable bolt securely.